at the Dorsett MongKok in Mongkok, Hong Kong. Got a room here. Let's check it out. Oh, the card, the key to the room, key card to the room has chip built in, so it's a pretty no frills place with usual amenities like kettle, water, teacups, coffee cups, and mini bar. Let's turn the lights on in the bathroom. So it's again pretty no frills. Usual towel, toilet, shower stall. I don't know if there's any brighter light in the shower stall, with curtains and a lower level floor for the shower. Sink, and over here the bed, actually a mirror, and then you can see TV, clothes hanger or mini closet-ish space, mirror on the headboard, twin bed. Not sure if it's quite a queen size bed, mini desk area, and some cabinet space. Oh, safe, and I can't see what's in there. I think nothing in there. All right, some laundry bags, and then of course some sitting space and storage space and a view of outside. So Dorsett, Hong Kong. Oh, important thing, comes with a alarm clock. That's pretty standard. Telephone, and most importantly, a phone that gives you voice and data plan and hotspots. So it's very, very practical for when you travel. All right, thanks for watching.